Here's a young scientist explaining the role of vitamin C versus cancer and how the increase of ROS, which is oxidation in the body through our diet and the polluted air we breathe and the water we drink, actually increases oxidation dramatically. It's called reactive oxygen species, which Dr. Lustig had wrote in his book extensively. And the only way you can lower ROS is by taking in orally, in your food, in your diet, lots of antioxidants. Please listen briefly to this young scientist explaining this for us.
No, vitamin C not only doesn't work through its antioxidant mechanism, but it massively increases the oxidative stress, more destructive oxidant molecules in the cancer cells. This is wild. So the takeaway here is that vitamin C does still massively hurt cancer cells, but not through typical means. It actually acts through a completely non-intuitive mechanism by increasing damaging oxidizing molecules within cancer cells. And as a final nail in the coffin, the researchers also discovered that vitamin C reduces the amount of a protective protein in the cancer cells. That protective protein is called ferritin heavy chain, and it grabs onto iron molecules. That's important because iron can be very dangerous if it's free inside the cell, because the free iron will interact with the structure of the cell and damage it, because iron is highly oxidizing. In its bound state, it is not as reactive in the same way. So imagine what's happening in the cancer cells when there's less of this protective binding protein and much greater concentration of free iron.
Amazing. Now, remember, in many blogs that we have also on our website at lookandvibrant.com, you can see also Dr. Margaret Visser from University of Otago, New Zealand, showing exactly how her research on cancer versus vitamin C works. And we have added actually their live experiments short videos on our website. Also, Dr. Bruce and Ames with Dr. Balls and Fries had done extensive research on vitamin C and showed that vitamin C benefits the cell directly or indirectly. So this is one of the video that explains that vitamin C really can play many different roles that is even unknown to scientists until this day, because keep discovering amazing things about vitamin C, especially also for collagen health and for longevity. Recently, they have shown that rats live half of their lifespans without vitamin C. Let's continue briefly.
Mass havoc. In fact, people with KRAS mutation cancers live longer if they also have low expression of this protective iron binding protein. Again, translating this association to humans. Okay, so there's a lot here, but we can sum it up in 2 simple points before getting to the actionable steps. 1. KRAS mutant cancers suffer dreadfully when exposed to a fasting mimicking diet and vitamin C. 2. Vitamin C increases rather than decreases destructive oxidizing molecules within the cancer, likely by reducing the amount of a protective iron binding protein. Now, how should we think about all this?